Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to Wipro, Capgemini, Infosys, joining, onboarding, rejection queries. One of the most important point, these queries are from candidates as well as on the Instagram platform as well as on the YouTube comment section. Okay, so this is the very important video for all of you, and one of the most important point, if you are from 22 to 2019 batch, this video is for all of you, and this video is completely in English. So I will explain all of the important points and the queries that is related to the onboarding, joining and rejection. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, must watch the previous videos. Okay, these all videos are for all of you, and one of the most important point, if you not watched this of the two videos, so first watch these two videos because this videos is very important for all of you, like why Wipro team sending again the two type of mail to the candidates. Okay, two different mail, but it is the same mail for the candidates. Okay, so let's start the video. One of the most important point, if you are new to our channel, so please subscribe and like and share the video with your friends. Okay, so what do you mean by the role wise joining and the onboarding? So if you are waiting for Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, TCS or Accenture or Cognizant, one of the most important point, according to your courses, like if you are from BE, BTech and ME, MTech, okay, if you are from BCA, BSc, so there is role wise joining are also there, because some of the candidates from the BCA, BSc got their joining joining from any of the MNC like Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini and TCS and Accenture. Okay, so they will got the different date of joining here because the role is different for that, and according to the BR, business requirement, so they will get their joining from the particular MNC. But if you are from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, so most probably they will give you timeline. So there is a good news from the Capgemini team that I already mentioned in the previous video, like from the November to like from the October to November. Okay, like from the October to November they will schedule your onboarding or joining most probably. Okay, so this is the very good news for the candidates. If I talk about the Infosys, so they just mentioned that the November is the new joining date. Okay, so many candidates got the date like 24 like 14 and 26. Okay, if I talk about TCS, so the TCS onboarding and joining is in the process, and if I talk about the Accenture, so they are just in the process of scheduling your onboarding. So this is related to that. According to the role, you have to wait for your joining and onboarding. Okay, so many candidates ask this query again and again, like phase 1 hiring no update. So is there any delay in phase 2 Wipro? One of the most important point, like so many candidates just want like if the phase 1 elite onboarding or joining is elite joining is updated in the September to November phase 1. So what about the phase 2? Is it is in the January to February? No, it's totally wrong. According to the BR business requirement, most probably they will schedule all the joinings in the month from September to December. Okay, by the year 2022. So if I talk about the January and February 2023 joining, okay, so many candidates ask me in the comment section, like so many platform mention that the joining from January or February. So this is the fake news, or this is the very wrong news, because company even not mention about they will onboard you from the 2023, where Wipro team mentioned that they will onboard or send the joining letters to the candidates by 2023. No, they only mention that they are planning your joining, and most probably the September to December is the month to receive your onboarding. So please don't believe on the fake news, and must update it for the latest news. So what about the rejection and malpractice? One of the most important point, like so many candidates ask me in the comment section, like what about the rejection after the offer letter? I completed the adapt training, I completed the PGP training, but still is there any chance like I got the rejection from the particular MNC? So one of the most important point, if you are caught in the malpractice, if you not follow the rules, okay, so they, or if you not fulfill the eligibility criteria, so there are the chances of rejection. Okay, this is only the chances of rejection, otherwise there is no chances of rejection. If you are waiting, okay, if your eligibility criteria is completely fulfilled, and your exam performance is also good, your interview performance is also good, definitely they will not cancel your joining letter or offer letter, they will give you joining, but it will take some time according to their timelines. Okay, so it will totally depends on the particular MNCs, like before offer letter, after offer letter, it will totally depends on them. If you completed your PGP adapt modules, or if you are completed, or if you are in the training phase, so believe me friends, don't take stress about the that, because the September to December month is for the onboarding and the joining. And one of the most important point, don't believe on the fake news, because the company are planning for your onboarding and joining as soon as possible. Okay, so I hope this video is useful for everyone. Please like and share the video with your friends. Thanks for watching the video.